Hi there, Michelle here on the Butterfly Hill, and I wanted to show you how fun and easy it is to make these fun clay seed kind of earth cookies. Look at how cute these are. This is simply made out of some air dry water-based clay, and it is so easy. It's fun to do with kids. And with Earth Day coming up, I thought this would be a really fun project. I'm gonna put some calendula seeds out, and we're gonna grab just a little piece of clay and about that much. And we're gonna roll it and roll it in our hands until it's a nice little ball. You can see here that I have a chopstick with a square end, and I am just going to pierce the ball and kind of wiggle it around until I hollow out the center of our little clay seed pod here, little cookie, earth cookie. How cute is that? We're gonna fill it with seeds. And then we're just gonna pinch it closed. You give it a couple good pinches, and then just roll it on your hand again. And I like to put one little seed on top so I know which kind is inside. And there you go. So again, we've got a little piece of clay, we've rolled it into a ball. We're just gonna hollow out the center and fill it with seeds. These happen to be calendula seeds. We're gonna pinch it closed. Re-roll it and set it out to dry. It takes about a day to dry, and this is a great project to do if you have a lot of critters or chickens or squirrels or birds that eat all the seeds when you're planting. You can put your seeds in the clay. It's a water-based clay, so as it rains, then the clay will of course start to break away. The seeds will get the water they need and extra nutrients from the clay and start to grow. It's a great, easy project to do with kids, and I'm gonna do a lot of these for Earth Day.